Changing the email link to your Snapchat account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email quickly. Step 1. Open Snapchat. Launch the Snapchat app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Access profile settings. Tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen to open your profile. Then, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to access the settings menu. Step 3. Select email. Scroll down to find the email option under the My Account section. Tap on it to proceed with changing your email address. Step 4. Enter new email. Input your new email address in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure it is entered correctly. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new email, tap on the Save button to confirm the changes. You may receive a verification email at your new address. Follow the instructions in that email to complete the process. Now you have successfully changed the email link to your Snapchat account. If you encounter any issues, consider checking Snapchat support page for further assistance.